Hello and welcome. In the comments, I typically get questions along the lines of what's the best this, what's the best that. So today I'm going to answer one of those questions really quickly. What is the best place to get donuts in Myrtle Beach, in my personal opinion? That's going to be Donut Man. I'm going to tell you why. A few reasons. Reason one, $8.50 for a dozen donuts. That's a fair price. Krispy Kreme charges you 11 and change, I believe. But the reason this is the best place isn't because of the price, it's because of the quality of the donuts. These are, in my opinion, the best donuts in Myrtle Beach. They're the cakey kind of donut. They're not a Krispy Kreme style. Krispy Kreme is very heavy on the, how do I put it lightly, lard. Don't get me wrong, I love some Krispy Kremes, but these right here are where it's at. These are some of the best donuts. And I see that pink one right there. It may taste very familiar if you've visited the Quickie Mart, the Simpsons Quickie Mart at Broadway at the Beach, because Donut Man supplies the lard lat donuts to that Quickie Mart. So if you like those donuts, just come over here to Donut Man, 99 cents, you got yourself a lard lat donut. The Donut Man's located on 17 Business, just north of 3rd Avenue. If you're familiar where Family Kingdom is, it's in that general vicinity. If there's anything else in Myrtle Beach that you'd like to know my personal opinion on what is best or what is worst, comment down below. Maybe I'll make a video on it. Until next time, everybody, stay safe and take it easy.